Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics and then update Windows and the Rockstar launcher, because outdated components block authentication. Once done, run the launcher as administrator to ensure permissions aren't the issue. Make sure VPNs, proxies, and third-party firewalls are disabled for testing. They often cause the offline error. Also clear DNS cache with ipconfig/flushdins and restart your router. These early steps remove common network and permission causes, so you can move into deeper fixes. Next, focus on network stacks and launcher integrity, since error hash 6087 often stems from corrupted network settings or files. Reset WinSock and TCP/IP using netch commands to fix low-level socket problems, and run the launcher's repair tool or reinstall only corrupted components rather than a full reinstall. While doing this, add exceptions for Rockstar and Social Club executables in Windows Defender and open required ports if on a strict router. Once those repairs finish, reboot and test online sign-in before proceeding. To finish, isolate remaining issues. Create a new Windows user profile to rule out local profile corruption, then sign into the launcher there. Verify your Social Club account by logging in on the web and resetting the password if necessary, because authentication failures mimic offline errors. If the problem persists, gather launcher logs and system event entries. Include the exact error code and steps you took when contacting Rockstar support. One tip: if it works in the new profile, migrate your data rather than forcing repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.